Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the analysis of YOLENO TV. I hope you're well from whatever you're watching this channel. I'd like to start this session by appreciating you so much for making this channel grow. If you wish to support us, just subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. If it was the wish of some ODM titans, Bondo MP Gideon Ochanda could have already been thrown under the mighty weight of the ODM bus in Nyanza and his attachment with the party blown up in flames. In the party, he has seemingly been treated with suspicion since 2013 and has battled the mole tag for several years amid an onslaught from the top officials keen to throw him out. All the attempts, including fronting senior ODM member Oburu Oginga to wrestle the seat from him in 2017, as well as giving support to his 2022 competitor Andiwo Mwaye, have all crumbled under the Ochanda's defiance. In last year's general election, he was among the few Luo MPs who were never granted the luxury of a direct party ticket to defend their seat. He had to work tooth and nail to fly the party's ticket. And now, the lawmaker is putting on a brave face in the wake of another controversy as key party officials intensify efforts to kick him out of the ODM after he met William Ruto alongside 7 other party MPs. So why have I chosen to give you that brief history of Ochanda, Gideon Ochanda? So over the weekend, William Ruto attempted to introduce Gideon Ochanda to the people when he was giving out that speech. But what happened is that the people could not allow Gideon Ochanda to say anything. So this is an MP who has been there for 3 terms and survived the mole tag and survived attempts to remove him from the party. He has been using some legal means to stay in the party, and he has carried the tag of a mole for all those years since 2013. So 2013, 2017, 2022, he has survived. So what happened is that Gideon was booed, heckled, and they could not allow him. I mean, the people there could not allow Gideon Ochanda to say anything. It's not only Gideon Ochanda. There are so many other rebel MPs who wanted to talk, who wanted to speak to the people there. But the people kept shouting the name James Orengo. So Orengo was the man who was being asked to speak, and not Gideon Ochanda, and unlike all other rebel MPs. If you watch the events of that meeting carefully, you will realize that Gideon Ochanda could not speak. And I think these are not good times. These are not good times or favorable times for Ochanda, because going forward, amekuwa akisurvive. Lakini going forward, going by what happened in front of William Ruto mwenyewe, I think it's not going to be easy for Gideon Ochanda going forward. In 2027, I don't think she is going to make it. That was too much. Who would have expected that that was going to happen to Gideon Ochanda? It was expected that the person who would have been booed probably ingekuwa ni William Ruto, because the people don't like him. So yeye angekuwa booed. And also because the meeting could have been organized by the rebel MPs, it was expected that those people there wangemshangilia sana. But look at what happened there. That was a very strong message to the likes of Gideon Ochanda, the likes of all other rebel MPs, people who think they know better than Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga did not just earn a name ati kwa sababu ni an MP ama nini, ati mimi ni MP so mniheshimu. Raila fought for the position he has the Luo Nyanza. It is not easy to replace Raila Amolo Odinga mpaka ile siku atatuacha. It's not easy. And that explains why you find that there is that kind of disorganization there, that kind of heckling there to people like Gideon Ochanda ambao wamekuwa wakitaka kumrithi Raila Amolo Odinga akiwa bado yuko hai. You see? Then there is word that it's not going to be easy for Gideon Ochanda and the like kwenda State House, because William Ruto would like to mend faces with the Nyanza people. Na kama mending faces with the Nyanza people will make him forget how rebel MPs itabidi afanye hivyo, so that he can get those favors from the Nyanza people. Ruto wants the support of Nyanza more than Nyanza people want him. For example, have you ever watched when William Ruto has toured Western, for example, just Western counties? Huwa ana raha ama unaonaje? Huwa ana raha. Ile muda ambao William Ruto yuko nayo, huo ni raha ama ni amudi ambao mtu ambao yuko tu? Because most of the time if you look at Ruto in Nyanza and Ruto in Western, there is always a very big difference in how Ruto huwa anajibeba. The way anajibeba kiwa Nyanza, huo ni mtu ambao ana raha. It's as if these are the people he wants the most. These are the people who made him. You know, in 2007, the people of Nyanza are the ones who made William Ruto, not even Eldoret. Ni Nyanza. The support that he used to get in Nyanza, akienda kipata Mombasa, ile ya Nyanza ilikuwa kubwa sana to a level whereby that it could go international. So William Ruto alikuwa anasikika sana as a result of Nyanza. He could go to Nyanza anytime. So that's why he is so much indebted to the Nyanza people than any other region, not even Mount Kenya, not even Western province. No. I mean Western counties. But the Luo Nyanza. So that explains why William Ruto anazaamua watu kama kina Gideon Ochanda ni achane nao, ni deal na the people directly, engage the people directly. Maybe because now kama alikuwa kwa ile rally that the people are supposed to welcoming ni kama Ochanda, na ndio walikuwa wanafanywa vile, ile ilikuwa ni aibu. If you watch that video, unapata hiyo ilikuwa ni aibu. So Gideon Ochanda, Jalango, they better watch out. That was a strong message. They need to watch out. It was a very strong message to the rebels. Now they know that Raila Amolo Odinga is the man to beat. If the same goes to Langata, hey, I don't know where Jalango ataenda wapi. Lakini let's just give it a matter of time before all these things will come out. Tutajua tu ukweli, tutajua the next move. So ladies and gentlemen, with those few remarks, let me wind up there. And also to those people who have not subscribed to this channel, I'd like to urge you to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload any video, you will always become the first person to get notified. So now, ladies and gentlemen, stay safe and stay blessed until we catch up again in our next analysis.